That is why I always go to my YouTube channel right here in Benin. This is what is happening. This is what just happened for this doing this rain. Thank you very much. Jeez. This is live. Benin. This is it. Here in Benin. One month to mom. Do you know that this person survived? This person survived. Wow, the person survived. The person came out. The person survived. Wow, right here in Benin. Right here in Benin. Wow, right here in Benin. This is it. Right here in Benin. Go and watch. Go to our YouTube channel and see more. Subscribe to my. So this is happening right here in Benin. It was God that saved this person, actually.
I made rough hospital because I know how that thing will hit down. Yeah, madam, it's false. Madam, they call for marriage. You want to come and show this time. This thing will hit this person high.
This person is alive. Jesus. God, you are wonderful. So you be praised. Baba, it's just God that just did this thing. It is just God. This life here. That is why I always go to my YouTube channel right here in Benin. This is what is happening. This is what just happened for this doing this rain. Thank you very much. Jeez. This is live. Benin. This is it. Here in Benin. One month to mom. Do you know that this person survived? This person survived. Wow, the person survived. The person came out. The person survived.